In this video, we want to find the partial derivative of f of xy equals x cubed times y squared plus 4y with respect to y using the definition of the partial derivative. So the definition will be the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x comma y plus h minus f of x y all over h. So let's first compute f of x comma y plus h. For every y value, we're going to replace it with y plus h. So if we look at here, there's two y's. So we're just going to put parentheses y plus h instead. So that gives us x cubed times y plus h quantity squared plus 4 times y plus h. Y plus h quantity squared is y squared plus 2yh plus h squared. And so we're going to multiply that by x cubed and then add 4y plus 4h to get to x cubed times y squared plus 2x cubed y times h plus x cubed times h squared plus 4y plus 4h. So that's just this part right now. The next step is to compute the difference quotient. So we're going to subtract by f of xy. So this parentheses here is f of x comma y plus h, and this is f of x comma y. So we will subtract these, and notice that the x cubed y squared terms goes away, and so does the 4y. So what's left is 2x cubed yh plus x cubed h squared plus 4h, and that's going to be all divided by h. So if we take this divided by h, we will get this because h's will cancel. So this h cancels, the square cancels, this cancels, and this cancels. So we're left with 2x cubed times y plus x cubed times h plus 4. Now we need to take the limit. So we take the limit of the difference quotient. So the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x cubed y plus x cubed times h plus 4. There's only one term that has an h in it. That's the second term. Plug in h equals 0. That goes away, and we're left with 2x cubed times y plus 4. And so that's going to be the partial derivative with respect to y.